With that format, you have to upload your assignment on Bodhi tree as far as the lab is concerned. Okay.
Sir,
Ha,
sir,
ha.
I was a bit late to join, sir. Can you please repeat the instruction, sir?
Yes. On Bodhi tree, first three assignments uploaded. Okay, statements of those assignments are uploaded, and with that you have to submit your assignment for DSA lab. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. So, how to write the assignment, sir? Have you provided instructions?
Yeah, you have to write first three assignments. Okay, and then take photo and upload it as a PDF. Okay, and then of course, as we have discussed, the remaining assignments will be a soft copy, and we'll make the list available on Bodhi tree, and you will upload afterwards. Right now, three assignments are there. You can upload those assignments. Okay, for that we have given 4 days time for you.
Sir, which things are to be written, sir?
It is mentioned. Just go through your account on Bodhi tree. Everything is mentioned. Okay, that
Sir,
means,
sir, whatever it is mentioned, can we write those things digitally instead of writing them on paper?
no. First of all, you have to write at least three assignments. That is our discussion. You
Okay.
have to write three assignments by pen
Okay, fine.
and remaining assignments digitally, right?
Okay, sir.
There should be some combination of theory, handwritten as well as the digital assignments. So that for that reason we have done this.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Anything else? So for that you will take 3 to 4 days time, no issue, and you will upload all those things there. Okay.
Sir, there are two dates written in green and in orange, sir. What are these dates?
Here you the deadline is mentioned. Okay. The deadline is there. 3 4 days deadline is there. You can upload it. Once you finished, you upload that. Okay.
Sir, it will be great if you could provide till weekend, sir. Sunday. Maybe.
Sunday not possible. We see you have lot many assignments afterwards. You have ET2, okay, in the next incoming week on unit number 4 and 5. I think you have
Yes,
got.
sir, because this month has
See, see,
already
see,
been
see, see.
very.
See, if you take time, it will burden on you. Okay, better to complete today itself. That is my sincere appeal for all. Try to finish one assignment in one day. That's it.
Yes, sir.
It is very much simple. You can do it. Okay, it is hardly matter of 3 to 4 pages. Nothing else. Any doubt regarding this? Anybody is having any?
हॅलो सर
Yes.
डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयरच्या स्टुडंटने पण करायचं का?
No. You will wait. You don't do.
Okay.
You wait. Okay. There will be separate instructions for you. You don't worry about it.
ओके सर.
The pattern and the submission time will be there. Will be different for you.
ओके सर.
Yes. Any doubt in submission? Anybody is having any kind of doubt for DSA assignment? First three
But
assignments.
we have to write complete code also by pen.
No. Code. Just to write the logic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
still
sir,
any?
I would like to, it is written output screenshot. So what we have to do there?
You have to run the code and have to attach that particular code as well as its output there. You can see theory part. Mugdha, theory part
Yes,
you have to
sir.
write by pen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, program. And program is you have to take a digital printout of scan of it and then upload it. Otherwise, you can take screenshot and put it in your file, make a complete file of PDF and then upload.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir,
Bolo.
why we have to write outcomes or outcome लिखने की जरूरत पड़ेगी सर कुछ?
How can we know that you have done this? That is the only possible way.
सर नहीं हम
Yes.
प्रोग्राम देंगे सर. वहाँ पे एक सेक्शन है सर. हमने पहले टॉपिक लिखा, फिर ऑब्जेक्टिव और फिर आउटकम लिखा है सर. टीचर एक्सपेक्ट क्या कर रहा है हमसे आउटकम. तो सर वो आउटकम लिखने की जरूरत है सर. वो 2-3 लाइन बच जाता है सर.
अरे यार इतना you are bothering so much. It is very simple task. Don't think lot on it. It is very simple. You have to maintain one document, one file, have to upload it. That's it. Nothing else. Sanjit, it is very simple. Sanjit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't worry so much about this. This is just a normal procedure. You are a student and you know all these things.
Yes, sir.
हाँ इतना है ज्यादा ये मीन्स इतना वरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. You have to maintain one document, you have to write on paper and you have to upload it. That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then the next one, who is asking this? Sudo code. Purnesh, you can upload a soft copy in that file and then upload that file completely. Just you write the theory part by pen. Okay, and code will be soft copy, put it as a soft copy and then upload a complete file. Is that clear, Purnesh? Joshi? Okay. Okay, so we'll begin the next discussion. The next assignment. Okay, so the next assignment is shaded binary tree. Okay, so we have started the binary tree, and with that context, the next assignment for your practical is implementation of threaded binary tree. Okay, for that, first of all, try to get what is it. Okay, and then you can go for its implementation. Right now, you have idea about this thing. So you are aware about what is called as in-order traverser, what is called as pre-order traverser, and then what is called as post-order traverser, right? So here the in-order traverser is in which we are having a operator in between the operands. Okay, in other words, this can be called as infix expression. Okay, and in terms of tree, in terms of tree, it can be called as in-order traverser, right? Then we have the another representation, that is prefix expression, or the pre-order traverser, where we are having the operator first and then operands, right? And then we have the post-order traverser, in which we are having operator first, operands first, and then the operators, right? So this way, the three things you can have idea about all these things, right? So as far as our tree is concerned, we are having three informations. The first one is left the data. Okay, here in last lecture we have seen left child data and right child. This is our any representation, any node which can be there with the tree, where we are having three informations: left child, then data, and right child, right? Now see, consider this data as your operator, and with this operator, can you have three different types of traverser? Yes, we can have this type of traverser. As far as this in-order traverser is concerned, data is in between left and right. Then second thing is pre-order. Data is before left and right child. And post-order means data is after left and right child. Okay, so this way, if you match this particular context, you can have three different traversers which are associated with the binary tree. The first one is called as left. Then the second one, V, is nothing but the visiting node, and then the right is moving right. So moving left, then visiting node, and moving to the right. So these are the three possible traversers associated with any type of tree. And with those traversers, the combinations can be 6 different combinations can be provided for this case. First one is LVR, then LRV, then VLR, then VRL, then RVL, then RLV. Okay, see, these are the 6 combinations that can be provided for tree traversers. But for basic conventions and with the basic assumptions, we are going for 3 basic traversal techniques. The first one is in order, then the second one is post order, and third one is pre-order. Now here, the presence of V is important. Okay, in case of in order, it is in between left and right. In case of post order, it is after left and right, and in case of pre-order, it is before left and right move. Okay, so wherever we are visiting a node, in what position we are visiting a node, that is very important. And with that context, you can have this idea of traversals which are associated with the. I will start the recording. Just wait. Okay, so these are the different combinations available, but for our understanding of overall concepts of what is called as binary tree, what is called as threaded binary tree, what is called as binary search tree, all things that we can cover with the help of three basic adoption techniques. The first one is in order traversal, then the post order traversal, and then the pre-order traversal. So these are the three techniques by means of which we can able to get in detail of the given assignment. Okay, so as far as this today's point of view is concerned, we have the implementation of threaded binary tree and its traversal. Right now, if I want to represent any node with the help of this in order traversal, in that case, this is the syntax where we are having a function in order, and in which we can have three basic informations. First one is in order. In that, for that we will assign a pointer, left pointer, then the value, that means the data, and the third thing, the in order right child information. So this way we can have these three informations, right? As far as this in order is concerned. For pre-order, we are having. For pre-order, we are Shinde. Okay, he is again joined. Pre-order, we are having data first, then left pointer, and then right pointer. So this way you can have this representation. Then the example is in front of you: A divided by B multiplied by C multiplied by D plus E. Okay, everywhere you can observe that the operator is in between given operands. Then this is the pre-order traversal, when which operators are at the first position and then operands are present. In case of post order, we can have operators first, operands first, and then the last thing, the operators as per the precedence. Okay, as per the priority. Okay, for that, the first thing is the left child, then the right child, and then the data. So this is the basic things which we need to understand before going for the discussion. Right now, threaded binary tree. Okay, what is it? Check. Basically, threaded binary tree is a binary tree that provides the facility to traverse the tree in particular order. Okay, so this is the way by means of which we can able to get a kind of facility. Okay, by means of which we can able to traverse. That means we can have a round against the particular tree. So threaded binary tree is a binary tree that provides the facility to traverse the tree in a particular order. Okay, and we have seen there are six different combinations of orders by means of which we can have this traversals. Okay, but most of the times we will use in order traversal faster. Okay, it makes in order traversal faster and do it without stack and without recursion. Okay, and there are different types of techniques by means of which we can able to implement this. Okay, so just keep in mind that this is one of the facility which is given for the traverser in the tree. Okay, and generally we are using in order traversal for the threaded binary tree. Okay, and there are three basic functions associated with this threaded binary tree. The first is called as insertion function. Okay, insert function. Then the second one is called as search function, and then third one is called as delete function. Okay, so one by one we will go in detail of this. First type of function which is associated with this threaded binary tree is insert function. Okay, there are some rules by means of which we can able to insert information or any node in the tree. Okay, if I say it is the threaded binary tree, okay, there are some rules, regulations, and with those rules, regulations, there are some conditions, and with those conditions, we can able to insert a particular node in the tree. Okay, so for that we have the first function insert. Insert node as a root if there is completely empty. There is nothing. Okay, the tree is completely empty. In that case, if you inserting a node, it can be called as a root node. Otherwise, if it is a new node, and if you want to insert that particular node. Then we can go for the second thing. Otherwise, if new node is less than current node, then go to the left thread and set the new node as left child. This is very important. Okay. If you want to insert something, and if it is less than the current node, in that case, it should be kept in the left side of the left side subtree. Okay. And if it is greater than it, in that case, it should be to the right side of the tree. Okay. So there are three basic conditions. First one is, if tree is empty, make the particular node as root. If it is not, in that case, check the value of that particular node. If it is less than the current node, in that case, it will be transferred to the left side. And if it is greater than the current node, it will be transferred to the right side. Okay, so same thing is adopted for insertion. If new node is less than current node, then go to the left thread and set the new node as left child. Else go to the right thread and set the new node as right child. Okay, this is for insertion. For search, what is the case? Check. If search key is root itself, then go to the left thread. If search key is less than root, then go to the left thread. Otherwise, go to the right. And if it is equal to the root, in that case, it is root itself. Yes. So key is less than root, go to the left part. Key is greater than root, go to the right part. And if it is equal to root, in that case, root itself is the search key. Okay. Next, these are very simple things, right? Then function delete, find the node and its parent. Find the deleting node. There are three cases. First is node which has two children. A node has only left child, a node has having a right child. Okay. Suppose if you want to delete any node, select that node and delete that node. Okay. And how these things are happening? This is the diagram where you can observe the visualization of this particular case. Okay. Now check. We have given some nodes. Okay. And we have to insert a node, that is node number 13. Okay. And where to insert this? If I using this in order, in that case, see from where this particular thing begins. First of all, it begins with 5. Node value 5. Then it comes to in order. If I say node order, leftmost node is 5. After that, who is there? 10. Because 10 is the root parent of, we know the in order representation. In order, we have the left, then value, that means data, and then the right. Okay, at the left, who is there? 5. Who is the parent of this 5? 10. That means the 10th node. Then who is the right? At the right, it is 16. But 16 having its own descendant. Which are those? Because 13 is less than 14. So it should be there to the left part of the 14. So 13 will be inserted and we can maintain the order 5, 10, then 13, then 14, then 16, then 17, then 20, and then 30. After insertion of this 13 to the left part of this 14, you will get the in order representation like this: 5, 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20, 30, with following all the conditions which are available in this insert. Yes? Is that clear? How to insert the particular node? Yes or no? See here, I have inserted 13 to the left part of 14 because it is less than 14. But the way in which the in order is printed, that is very important. Are you clear in what order these nodes are printed? Yes or no? Yes. Tell me your answer in chat window. Hello? Okay. 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 Now next example. Insert 15. Where to insert 15? Suppose if you want to insert 15, where to insert 15? In this context, where it will be? In previous case, I have shown the example, solved example. Now here, I want to insert 15. Where to insert 15? That is my question. Where to insert 15? Yes. Just observe this notes.
The right of 14.
Correct. It should be at the right of the 14. Okay. How many of you agree on this answer? Yes. Okay, agree. Sahil is saying yes. Okay. So see here, same thing is happening. It should be at the right side of the 14. Okay, 14 is inserted as right child of 15 is inserted as right child of 14. And with that, what is the in order which can be maintained here now? What is the answer for this in order? Can you tell me what is the answer for this in order? In chat window, you can give your answer. Yes. You can write the answer in chat window for in order of this given representation. Yes. In between 14 and 16, you have to place 15. Yes or no? In order is 5, 10. Then the next thing is 14, 13, first of all, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 20, and then 30. Okay, so your answer should be like this. 5 dash 10 dash 14 dash 15, then 16, 16 dash 17 dash 20, and 30. Is that it? If you agree, you can put it in chat window. It is correct or not? Yes. Is that clear or is that yes? Okay. Correct. Okay. So this is basically the logic. Okay, and here with this thing you have to write one program. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, we'll have the completion of this. I think up to this it is clear. Now the threaded binary tree. Now we are using a pointers for left child. Okay, if it is null, replace it with the pointer with the node that would be visited before pointer as an in order traversal. Just now we have done this. Okay, or if pointer is right child, if it is null, then replace with a pointer to the node that would be visit after pointer as a in order traversal, right? This is the representation where we can visualize the entire representation. Okay, where we can have the different nodes, and these nodes can be represented with the help of the in order traversal, like H, then D, then I, then B, then E, then A, then F, C, and G. Okay, so same thing is in a different way. Same example can be represented in different way. Okay, next, data structure which can be used for this particular thing. The left thread, then left child. Left thread is associated with the left child. Right thread is associated with the right child. Okay. Then the memory representations can be like this. Okay, so everywhere we can have the pointers and can be visualized like this. Okay, and if you want to add the any node, you can check the positions of each, check the value, and with those values you can able to insert to the right or to the left. Okay, so same things can be represented in this representation. Insertion of child. Okay, insertion of the same thing is happening here. Okay, if you want to insert D as a right child of B, which procedure we have to follow? First of all, we have to find the link. Okay, then we have to identify what is the parent of that particular given node, and with that we have to make one link to that particular parent. Okay, and assignment is done, and with that assignment, this particular D can be considered as child of B. Okay, for that we have to follow all the rules, regulations which are associated with the given context, right? So first of all, we have to consider the root, then from where this particular link comes to the parent, that is D, that is B, that we have to identify, and from that we have to insert the new node that is called as D with finding the new link for that particular D. Okay, so this is the simple process by means of which you can be able to insert a node inside the tree. Okay, only thing that we have to consider in this entire representation is take the value of that particular node, whether it is less than or equal to. Now, first of all, which traversal you are following, and with that traversal, you have to fix the position of that particular node and have to upload that particular node in the appropriate position in the tree. This much is logic behind understanding of what is called as threaded binary tree. Okay, and with this logic, you will continue with the assignment. Okay, and meanwhile, we'll have the midterm submission. As I said, somebody asked me in morning session. I think Mugdha was there. Mugdha asked me about this.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is common instruction for all, that whatever you have done in this practical till today. Okay, so let us have review on all this. Okay, so it can be considered as a midterm submission for DSA lab. Okay, I will be considering some students. I will ask some questions. Okay, and with those questions, you will be given some marks. Okay, based on your performance, you will be given some marks, and with those marks, the further things will be continued. Okay, and in background, you will implement the today's assignment. Okay, try to create a threaded binary tree. Okay, and while doing this, I will select some students, I will ask some questions, and with those questions, we will have the completion of DSA midterm submission, DSA lab midterm submission. Is that clear? Okay, in background, you will continue with the assignment. Okay, and in the front line, I will consider in turn the students and will check what you have done for the previous assignments. Is that clear? This way we will complete our DSA lab midterm submission, supported by your lab assignment write-up on Bodhi tree. Is that clear? Students, is that clear? Sanjeev? What I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mugdha, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you will do practical along with me in the same practical session. Okay, and I will select some students and will discuss the progress. Okay. Now, roll number 1 will unmute. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be a roll number 1, roll number 2. Both students can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So roll number 1. Have you done the employee database
Yes, sir.
assignment number 1 and assignment number 2? If it is there, you share your screen. You have done that assignments, then just show me those assignments. Assignment number 1, assignment number 2, everything which you have implemented, just show me. I think you have made one folder. In that folder, everything is there with you. Yes? Roll number 2, same thing you can do. Roll number 2 also.
Yes, sir.
Just share your screen.
Sir, I have write only, sir, code.
You have only code. What about roll number 1? Roll number 1.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Till that, roll number 2. Tell me what is the implementation. What in implementation of linked list, what you have done? How many operations you have implemented for assignment number 2, that is singly linked list? How many things you have done?
I think I done insert
Okay,
at head and tail and at the given position.
okay,
Then I will perform search.
search. Tell me logic of search.
First of all, we have to declare a position
Hmm?
for which node we have to find.
Hmm?
First of all, then I will while loop to traverse the list
Hmm?
one node before reaching the last for node which I have deleted.
Okay,
Position minus decrement करके while loop.
okay. What
Then-
about, okay. Roll number 1. Okay, so you can upload it afterwards. Question is, what is the logic behind insertion in single linked list? Tell me the logic of single linked list. Single linked list, explain the logic of insertion. Yes. Rule number 1. What you have done for infix to postfix conversion? Rule number 1.
Sir, singly linked list or
First of all, answer the singly linked list and then go for it. Second.
yes, sir. For insertion in singly linked list, sir, there are 3 ways of inserting a node.
Hmm?
First of all, it's at the head, at the end, or in the middle, anywhere. So for head, you have use the head pointer,
Hmm?
like assign the head pointer to a new node, so it becomes the head, and the initial heads become the next element. For the end, we check for the null
Hmm?
and then assign the null value to our new node's address, like the next value of the last end to the null.
Okay.
And for anything in between,
Hmm?
we find the position of that where we have to insert, like the the previous one, and the pass the value for the head of the next node to the previous address, like to the next one, and thus the preceding ones to the the element which is after our inserted node.
Okay. Can you define what is stack?
Yes, sir. Stack is a data structure which follows the first in first out order.
Hmm?
That in which, like, whichever element we put first, gets retrieved first.
Rule number 2. What is
Yes.
queue? Define queue.
Queue is a data structure which follow the principle first in, first out.
Anything else that you can add in this definition?
It is a linear data structure.
Okay. Linear means?
The data elements added in linear manners.
Okay, so I think you have implemented all the assignments and you will put your assignment on Google Tree, right? So till that you will continue with assignment number, today's assignment.
Yes, sir.
You can mute yourself. Roll number 3 and 4, unmute yourself. Roll number 3 and 4. Roll number 3
Yes, sir.
and roll number 4. Roll number 4 is there? Okay. What about the assignment status? Completed all the assignments?
Yes, sir.
Just switch on your camera. Both of you.
Sir, am I visible?
No? Okay, let it be. No issue. Let it be. No issue. Okay, so first of all, have you done all the assignments? Both these.
Yes, sir.
What about the second?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me the first assignment. what you have done in first assignment, database creation of employee.
Sir, I have used a hash table for the implementation of database using employee's ID number.
Okay, and or how many records you have taken, which are the records, and
Sir, n records entered by the user, and then according to the user's employee ID number, employee name, employee, we have arranged it in the form of a hash table.
can you tell me what is the logic of that hash table implementation?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to, I have used a hash table in C++. So I have pointed the keys so that I have mapped the keys to values using the hash function for the specific indices in the table. So
Okay.
that it can search or insert and delete operations with the operations. So I have done it using the structure. And then I have used the pointer to point the respective keys and perform the hash table operations.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me the delete logic of singly linked list? Delete. Other student. Not you, other.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Who is number 4?
Sir, we have to make a temporary pointer T, and then we have to traverse it to the desired location which we have to delete, and then the desired the key which we have to the node which we have to delete. The previous the previous nodes the node which we have to delete, its next node's address, we have to put it in the previous node.
Okay. And what about the W linked list implementations, insert, delete? You have done it?
Sir, doubly linked list not done, sir. Only singly linked.
Okay. Other.
No, sir, even I have not done the W linked list.
It is already over. Okay.
Sir, it is over, but
okay.
Sir, because of the exams.
Now you will implement all these things so that it will be in line with the discussion of the remaining points. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, the other question is what you have done in infix to postfix conversion using stack. Yes. How can you? What is the logic behind implementation?
Sir,
okay.
I have to tell. Or
You will tell.
Sir, basically the infix for the infix to postfix conversion, we scan the expression from left to right. We have to. Sir, 2 minutes. Can I open the code so that
till that other student will answer this same question. Yes, rule number 4.
I will open the code and see. 2 minutes.
I am asking the logic. You can say the logic. Oh, sure.
To return the precedence. In that, I have used the if-else statement by assigning the character, that character equal to, and then if-else statement. And then I have done the main function to convert infix to postfix, that is void infix to postfix. And in that, I have used the stack operation. In that, I have used the for and if-else loop statements to check whether the character, what type of character I have used. And then the main function in which it is called the void wala expression.
Okay, roll number 4. If I want to enqueue one node, okay, in case of suppose singly linked, which operation we have to follow? I have to insert something.
Sir, if sir in queue there is first in first out, means the one which comes first we have to delete it first, like this.
Any condition you need to check first before insertion? We have to check something before insertion. What is that condition? Directly we can insert, or there is a condition? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. There is a condition.
Which is the condition? Which is that condition? Roll number 3.
Sir,
What is the
stack
condition?
overflow.
How to check it?
That condition. Sir, stack, we have to check whether overflow, it is overflow, means it is full, and then back equal to n minus 1, that.
Okay. Okay. So you will upload your assignments on Bodhi tree, first 3 assignments. I will, and assignment number 4, for that, I think you have to make a soft copy and you have to upload it afterwards, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So on that discussion is going on. After discussion, we'll let you know. Next students, roll number 5 and 6. Yeah, roll number, remaining
Yes, sir.
students, you will continue with the assignment, today's assignment, that is threaded binary tree implementation. Okay. Meanwhile, I will go for the oral of all the remaining students. Roll number 5. Who is roll number 5?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first question is for roll number 5. What about DQ operation of single linked list? Others, please mute yourself. Okay, roll number 5. What is the DQ operation of singly linked list? Yes, roll number 5. Roll number 5. Are you getting me?
सर असाइनमेंट नाही केलेली ती.
Okay. What is front and rear pointer in Q? At very basic thing I'm asking to you. Roll number 5. Roll number 6. What is front and rear pointers?
So the front pointer file contains address of starting element of queue.
What about rear?
Rear pointer मतलब last element of the queue address करता है वो.
From which end we are doing DQ and in Q? In a queue. In a queue, in which end we will do NQ and DQ? Yes. From rear or front, we are doing NQ. That is my question.
No idea.
About DQ, which end is used for doing DQ? In case roll number 5, 6, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How many assignments you had done?
अब तो नहीं क्या सबमिट करना.
2, sir.
2 assignments. What you had done in first 2 assignments? Tell me. Roll number.
In first hashing and
What is the logic of hashing, hash table, which you have used in assignment number 1? Yes, go ahead. Roll number.
in which we divide the number by 10.
See, you should be very much clear about your answers, right? Your idea should be very much clear so that we can get it clearly. What about roll number 6? How many assignments you have done? Home.
सर मतलब अभी तक नहीं किया, मैंने कर रहा हूँ।
अरे फिर फेयर होना है क्या? असाइनमेंट नहीं किया मीन्स कितने दिन किए, क्या किया फिर? यू हैव टू अपलोड योर असाइनमेंट्स. हाँ,
हाँ सर करूँगा।
you are not done anything. Why? I don't know. Same thing is with the roll number 5. Only 2 assignments means you have to do the assignments on time. Okay, so do it fast.
Yes, sir, because of I.
No. Don't give any excuse because we don't have time. Right? Do it on priority. Next, roll number 7 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Who is roll number 8?
Kanak Jaiswal, I think so.
Where?
I don't know.
Roll number 7 absent.
Sir, 7 present.
Okay. Roll number 8 absent. Let me first write absent. Then roll number 9.
Absent.
Roll number 9 is not there.
No, sir.
Next, roll number 10.
Absent.
Next, 11.
Sanjeet.
Unmute yourself, Sanjit. Okay. Roll number, now there are 2 students in front of me. Roll number.
Yes, sir.
What is your number?
No, sir. 8.
8 is there. Okay. Sanjit, you will wait for some time. 8 is available. Okay. Roll number 7 and 8. What about your assignment status? How many assignments you have done?
सर पहले तो रेडी है, थर्ड वाले पे काम चल रहा था सर, पेपर की वजह से कर नहीं पाए थे सर.
Okay. What about the other student? Roll number 8.
सर फर्स्ट हो गया है, सेकंड मतलब ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है, और थर्ड नहीं हुआ, अभी तक शुरू नहीं किया.
Okay. What you have done in second assignment? Go for it. Explain in detail.
सर सेकंड होने का है अभी.
यस सर,
हुआ नहीं है.
सेकंड लिंक लिस्ट बेस्ड.
Third.
इनफिक्स वाला थर्ड वाला इनफिक्स एंड पोस्ट फिक्स.
हाँ, वो हो गया.
नहीं तो उसमें चल रहा है सर.
एक्सप्लेन करो ना लॉजिक, उसमें क्या है?
तो उसमें हमने पहले एक्सप्रेशन लिया है इनपुट की तरह, फिर हम वहाँ पे नंबर्स को मतलब हम देखते हैं एलिमेंट पहले क्या है, तो उसको एज ए स्ट्रिंग की तरह इनपुट लेते हैं. वहाँ पे देखते हैं अगर नंबर आया तो हम उसको अलग कर देते अलग प्लेस कर देते एक लिस्ट में, और अगर सिंबल आया तो उसको अलग जगह लिस्ट में प्लेस कर देते हैं. और जैसे हमारा नंबर 2 नंबर आउटपुट हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद हम क्या कहते हैं ऑपरेटर आउटपुट कर देते हैं सर, एक उसके बेसिस पे.
Okay. Explain the first assignment. Other student, explain first assignment.
सर फर्स्ट हैशिंग का है सर, उसमें अपने को नंबर्स दिए रहते सर, और सर उसके फिर अपने को वो सॉर्ट करना पड़ता सर.
Logically बोलो यार. In what way you are talking? It is not. This is not a technical discussion. You should talk in technical way. What you have done and how you have done.
सर मतलब फिर सर पहले हैशिंग.
First of all, discuss with in English.
Okay, sir. So firstly, I have some numbers. Then I have taken mod of that and then arrange that in from first to 10 hash key using hash key.
Okay.
Sir, फिर वो modulus of 10 by taking modulus of 10 I have arranged them in 1 to 4 sequence, and if some number is repeated then I have used linked list.
Okay. अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा था मैंने, what about the rear and front pointers and from where we can able to DQ and NQ operation?
Sir, please repeat.
What is the in front and rear pointers in a linked list?
Sir, front and rear pointers.
सर उसको जवाब देना कि मैं भी दे सकता हूँ.
हाँ दे दो,
सब
बोलो।
फ्रंट एंड रियर एंड हमारे क्यू में रहते हैं, और क्यू में फ्रंट एंड हमारा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होता है जो हमने एंटर किया है, और रियर एंड हमारा लास्ट एलिमेंट होता है जो एंटर किया है हमने फ्रंट से।
ओके, एंड फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन
यस
एबल
सर,
टू
फ्रंट
डू
एंड से हमारा क्यू के अंदर फ्रंट एंड से हमारा डीक्यू होता है, और रियर एंड से हमारा एनक्यू होता है, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट बेसिस पे।
Which conditions we have to satisfy for doing NQ and DQ?
एलिमेंट नल नहीं होना चाहिए, फॉर एनक्यू एलिमेंट नल नहीं होना चाहिए, और फॉर डीक्यू के लिए नहीं सर, एनक्यू के लिए एलिमेंट नल नहीं, सॉरी सर, डीक्यू के लिए एलिमेंट नल नहीं होना चाहिए, और एनक्यू के लिए हमारा साइज से बड़ा नहीं होना, लिस्ट साइज फुल मैक्स साइज की नहीं होनी चाहिए।
One more condition is there. Which is that condition? And this same question was asked in online examination also. Maybe some of you faced this question, case 1 and case 2.
याद नहीं सर कंडीशन।
Okay, okay. And what about the write-ups, done or started?
हाँ सर, स्टार्ट किया है।
Both of you?
हाँ, स्टार्ट किया है।
ठीक है, go for the current assignment, that is threaded binary tree.
Okay sir.
Okay, next.
सर
हाँ, roll number 11 and roll number 12.
यस सर।
रोल नंबर 12 है क्या? रोल नंबर 12, who is 12?
सर उसका थोड़ा तबीयत खराब है सर।
Purnesh, can you talk something so that it will be finished here today only? Otherwise, it will be again you have to face this. Do you agree on this, Purnesh? If you throat pain, okay, throat pain है तो in that case you continue with the assignment. We'll take your oral in next incoming practical slot. Okay, so I will mark it as pending. Okay, roll number, who is this? Roll number, okay, 12. मॉर्निंग सेशन में नहीं था क्या पूर्णेश? पेंडिंग लिखता हूँ, राइट? 13, रोल नंबर 13 and 11, unmuted sir. Roll number 13 and 11.
Yes sir.
Okay, Sanjit, what about your assignment status?
सर हो गया सर, तीनों भी हो गया।
Okay, can you share your screen for all three?
सर अब भी करता हूँ सर, एक मिनट।
हाँ करो। In that roll number 13, who is roll number 13? Unmute yourself. 13, roll number 13.
सर फोन पे है सर, चलेगा सर?
हाँ चलेगा, नो इशू।
सर आपको कौन सा देखना है सर असाइनमेंट?
असाइनमेंट नंबर 2।
सर असाइनमेंट नंबर 2 लिंक लिखना सर।
लिंक लिस्ट, हाँ।
एक मिनट सर।
रोल नंबर 13 इज एब्सेंट।
सर ये सर लिंक लिस्ट का
एक्सप्लेन करो।
सर इस प्रोग्राम में सर मैंने 2 क्लास बनाया है, एक एक्सक्लूसिव मोड के लिए और एक लिंक लिस्ट के लिए। और लिंक लिस्ट में मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक हेड पॉइंटर डिफाइन कर दिया है, और फिर मैंने 6 फंक्शन लिखे सर। एड एट फ्रंट, एड एट एंड, डिलीट एट फ्रंट एंड सर्च, फिर एम्प्टी और फिर गेट लास्ट नोड। तो सर जैसे हम यूजर मुझे बोलेगा सर उस हिसाब से मैं कर सकता हूँ। जैसे अगर मेरे को यूजर ने बोला इंसर्ट अ नोड, तो फिर 2 फंक्शन है सर मेरे पास, या तो मैं स्टार्टिंग में ऐड करूंगा या तो मैं एंड में ऐड करूंगा, जैसे यूजर बोलेगा। अगर डिलीट करने बोला सर तो फिर डिलीट बाय पोजीशन है, डिलीट बाय की है। अगर आपको नंबर डिलीट करना है तो आप नंबर डिलीट कर सकते हो, पोजीशन तो पोजीशन कर सकते हो। अगर आपको लिस्ट प्रिंट करवानी है तो आप लीनियर लिस्ट भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो, रिवर्स भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो। और फिर सर ये 3 ऑप्शन है सर मेरे पास यूजर को देने के लिए, और उसके लिए फिर सर फंक्शन डिफाइन किए हुए सर।
ओके, ये रन होता है प्रोग्राम?
हाँ सर।
द स्क्रीनशॉट इज अवेलेबल ऑफ आउटपुट। रन करो, होता है रन?
सर आप भी देखो सर, अगर आपको सर अगर इंसर्ट करना है और 1 पे आपको इंसर्ट करना है 3, और फिर आपको फिर से 1 करना है, और एंड में इंसर्ट करना है 4। और फिर आपको अगर डिस्प्ले करना है लीनियर लिस्ट, तो सर आपका लिस्ट ऐसे आएगा सर। ये देखो सर 3 और 4।
ओके ठीक है, गुड, ठीक है, ओके
ओके सर।
यस, यू कंटिन्यू विद द करंट असाइनमेंट।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Roll number 13 is absent. Roll number 14. Roll number 14 is there. Roll number 14 is absent. Roll number 15.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 16. Roll number 16 is there. Roll number 15. Yes,
sir.
what you have done? How many assignments you have done?
Sir, assignment 1 and 2 I have and assignment not yet. I'm doing.
Assignment 1 explain karo complete. How many things you had done and
Yes,
in
sir.
what way you have done?
Sir,
Okay.
सर मैंने हैश टेबल मतलब
शेयर स्क्रीन्स कर सकते हो? Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir, I will try.
Yes.
Sir, I will try.
Yes, go ahead. Done?
वो रेपल इट का नहीं हो रहा सर, जस्ट
It is coming. It is coming. But your code is not shared yet. Okay, let it be. You can upload your assignments afterwards. No issue. Tell me what the logic you have implemented in assignment number 1.
Sir, I have made a class, and in class I have made functions like hash table, search, display, and in struct I have taken employee ID's name, number, employee ID, and in hash function I have to loop each if one key given, then I will do mod tail, and I will put it in a index. So to make.
Okay. Stop sharing. No issue. Arya, stop sharing. The next question is.
Can I share a bullet link? Okay.
No. You just close. Don't share anything. You will answer questions which I will ask you.
Okay.
Yes. In a stack, which is the basic rule of working of stack? Principle of working of stack. What is it? Yes. Are you getting me? Yes.
Sir, sir, due to internet problem, वो disconnect हो गया था. Sir, please, can you ask me one more time? Hello.
What is principle of working of stack?
Sir, LIFO, last in, first out, or Philo first in last out.
Okay. And what are the applications of stack? Here we can able to use stack.
So we
Real-time
can
applications.
push operation, then we can use pop operation.
No. I am asking the applications of stack. Where we can use stack.
Yes, sir. In a forward, backward features in web browser, or also we can use it in a Tower of Hanoi, in which we want to means we want to shift the disk from A to C, and in which B is working as a helper. And also we can use for tree transversals or a DF search, or balancing of symbols, like balancing of opening, closing brackets, and
In case of infix to postfix conversion using stack, which are the rules we have to follow?
sir, in infix to postfix, that big
Which rules we have to follow?
if there is plus and multiply, then lower cannot be placed on the higher in stack we can follow.
That means the priority. Okay.
Yes.
Anything else? This is the first rule. Another.
Another rule. Sir, if there is operands, then we have to put it in a direct output, and if there is operators, then we have to put in input. Stack section.
Okay. This is the second rule. What is third rule?
Third. Sir, I'm not able to recall right now.
There are 4 basic rules.
Yes.
2 you have answered 2, but what about remaining 2? Just try to recall.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Yes or no? Okay, recall it, no issue.
Sir, like no lower on higher allowed, and also if there are equal, then
equal. Then first who is in the stack will be removed first.
Yes, sir. And even if there are open and closed
brackets, there will be push. Okay.
Yes.
Take it. Okay. What about the assignments? Done?
Sir,
Written?
first and second done, third not yet.
Going. Okay. Next, roll number 16 and 17.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 16 and 17.
Sir, 16 is not there.
Here. 18. Roll number 18.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about the assignments, both of you? How many assignments?
So first and second are done. Third half part is remaining, that Q.
Okay. What about the roll number 18?
Same, sir.
Same. Okay. So half part is over for assignment number 3rd. Yes. Roll number 18.
Yes, sir.
What you have done in that?
Sir, I have taken string in which means first of all we will take the input as string, and the output we have show infix to postfix. So I have done just starting, and means if brackets are there, then we have to pop, then closing.
Okay. What about assignment number 2? Roll number 17? 2.
Done, sir. Linked list.
Yes. And how many things you have done in that?
Sir,
Explain.
search. Okay. I have done it I have to insert the element at tail, insert the element at head, then insert at any position, then delete any node, then select for the key. These all operations I have done.
Explain for any one operation detail.
Search key.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so we have to create a function with search key. We have to pass the head address and also the key that we have to search for, and then we'll traverse the linked list up to the key that we have to find. And when if we find that key, then we'll print that the key is found. Otherwise, if it is not found, then we'll print that the key is not found. So using while loop, we have to traverse up to that node.
Okay. Okay. Yes. What about the deletion in case of same thing? You don't give the answer. Others don't. Roll number 18, answer this question. What about the deletion?
Sir, we have to then we have to take if loop means while we have to traverse first until the last terms, last element, and if and in that if the we have to take one more node, initialize one more node, and if that node is equal to the node which we have to delete, then we have to just return from the loop, and we have to delete that node.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. Continue with the assignments.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 17 and 18, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, roll number 19 and 20.
Yes, sir.
20. Roll number 20 is there. Roll number 20. Roll number 21.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 20 is absent. Okay. Roll number 19 and 21. What about your assignment status?
Sir, all are completed. Only prefix 1 is remaining.
Okay. What about you, 21?
Sir, hash table, stack queue, and infix to postfix is done.
Explain the third one.
Infix to postfix.
Yes. Using
okay. Yes, sir. Using stack. Okay, sir. We will take infix expression from the user, and then I have created a precedence of my operators. If it is plus and minus, it will have the least precedence. If it is a divide or multiplication, it will have the highest precedence. Then I have created an infix to postfix function. Inside it, I have created a stack. And if it is a left parenthesis, it will go inside the stack. If it is any operand, it will go in the output section. If it is any operator, it will be pushed inside the stack. Whenever we will come across any right parenthesis, it will go inside the stack, and all the operators inside the left and the right parenthesis will be insert popped out of the stack and will pushed inside the output section as per their precedence. And if we came across two operators having the same precedence, inside the operators which is already inside the stack will be pushed inside the output section.
Okay. And what about roll number 19? Which will you explain assignment number 2?
Yes, sir. Singly linked list.
Yes.
In that, I have performed the operations of insert at beginning, insert at end, delete at beginning, delete at end, and insert a node at any position. Then I have to create a...
Okay, good.
Then I have declared the head pointer. Then I have created a node. Then I have assigned the value. Then I have created two parts, data and new node. Data and next. In next, I have stored the address of the next node, due to which a link is created. And if I want to add the node at the first position, then first of all I have taken the value of data. Then accordingly I have taken one pointer p. Then I have stored the address of head into the next pointer p. Then I have done p equals to head. Then the link is generated. The element is inserted successfully in first position.
Okay. And what about the write-ups? Both of you?
It is done, sir.
Okay. Okay. You can continue with the assignment. Roll number 22 and 23.
Yes, sir.
22. 23?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about the assignment status?
Sir, first two done, but code is not completed yet.
Yes. What about 23? Roll number 23?
Sir, first is a bit incomplete, and second and third one is complete.
Explain second assignment.
Sir, second assignment is of linked list, where I have performed operations like insertion at the end, at any nth position, and deletion.
One more thing. If you want to share your screen, you can. Okay, this is the common instruction for all. If you want to share the screen, you can. Okay, once your turn is there, you can share the screen. Okay. Will you want to share the screen?
Yes, sir, I am sharing.
Yes, please.
Sir, this is my assignment where I have created display list function, insert at the last, insert at the end, and at the nth position, and deleting of the element. Sir, this reverse order is remaining.
Okay, so you explain the remaining ones.
Yes. The first is add node, means to add a node. First of all, I will create a node. Then I will create and that assign a number to that node, means data number to that node. Then for the next, I will for the new node next, I will take null at the end, because, and then I will check that if for the head, if head is null, then I will take that new node as a head.
Okay.
And then I have created a display function. In that display function, I will run a loop.
Where actually we can able to use linked list in real time scenario? Can you give me an example?
In real time. Sir,
Real
if suppose if we don't know number of data inputs, so at that time to dynamically allocate the memory and all.
Any other example can you explain? Rule number 22. Can you give me any other example where actually we can able to use linked list? Yes. Rule number 22. Are you there?
Previous and next page in web browser, I think, is a real-time example of linked list.
Any other can you give me?
What, sir?
Any other example can you give me?
It is used in a line for a cashier. In a line of cashier, linked list is used, I think. Real-time example.
Okay. You said you had done assignment number 1.
Yes, sir.
What you have done in it?
What, sir? Can you repeat?
Unit assignment number 1. Assignment number 1 you have done.
Sir, assignment number 1 is consider an employee database of 10 employees. Assignment number 1.
Explain the logic, what you have done. That is my question. What is the assignment title? We are not interested. What you have done in that is the required answer.
Sir, to store the data, we can look up quickly.
See, your concepts are not that much clear, I think, right? Roll number 22. You are not, Shreyesh, you are not giving the required answers, right? You are giving the just hint. You are not giving complete answer for the asked question. Roll number 20.
Definition is clear, I think. Hashing is a technique.
Yes, it is there, but what we are expecting, you should explain the thing in proper sentences. That is our requirement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what about the same assignment 23? Roll number 23. Explain it.
Sir, in that assignment, we have used hash table, where we have created a table. I have created it for 10 elements, and then store employee IDs, means using that hash function. key is equals key %10.
Anything else you can add in this?
And sir, for searching operation, we have used it to search for employee ID.
Both of you, what about your assignment status, return status?
Sir, return, we have means I have just started.
Okay, so complete it as soon as possible. Next, roll number 23 and 24. Roll number 23.
Hello, sir. Roll number 20. So, am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I have completed hashing, doubly linked list, singly linked list implementations and their code.
Will you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is your name?
Gaurav.
Okay. And where you gone in between?
Sir, I don't know. I was not. Implementation is not yet completed.
Linked list.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 23 is there? If no, then roll number.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So say something. 23.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, we'll check what you. Okay, oh, your number is 23. Okay, okay.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Okay. Roll number 21 was over. 21.
Yes, sir.
On 22.
Yes, sir.
23 is. Okay. 24. 24. Roll number 24. Now don't say me that you are present or not. 24 is absent. Next 25. 25 is there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so 23 explain the second code.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am roll number 20. In the singly linked list assignment, I have used various functions like insert at the beginning, delete at the begin, insert at the end, and delete from the end. Then insert at any position, deleting from any position.
Explain anyone. Delete you explain in detail.
Okay. Sir, at any end.
Delete.
Okay. Okay, sir, from beginning or from end?
Just explain the logic of delete.
Okay, in delete, we have to perform two main operations. That is, first to change the link from previous node to the next node, and also to delete it from the memory. For example, if I consider deleting from the begin, then first I change the link. First I store the address of head into a temporary variable temp, and then after that I change the link of the head from the head to head next, and then after that I delete the previous node.
Okay. 25. What is your status? Roll number 25. Prathamesh.
Sir, अभी तक नहीं किया.
How many you have done?
No, sir.
Nothing. Yes. Should I mark nothing or something? I have to write there. You tell me. Should I write nothing or will ask you some questions so that you can answer those questions? Prathamesh, this is not a good thing. No, see, this is not the good thing. In first session itself, you are saying that you are not done anything. Okay. So I will mark it as pending. You will be giving your oral in next incoming practical session. Okay. Till that you prepare well. Yes, Prathamesh?
Okay.
Okay. Next, roll number 26 and 27.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20, roll number 20, just stop sharing. Okay. 26 and 27. What is your status of assignments?
First and second complete.
Okay. What about the other student?
Sir, I have done with queue, stack, and hashing. So linked list is remaining.
Okay. So explain the first in detail. I am not getting the correct things from the students for assignment number 1. I am expecting this from you.
Hashing. So, sir, using hash data structure, we have created an employee database where we have considered a bucket where we have storing the employee data and ID, where we use hash function of mod 10, where the employee ID number is allotted are placed according to the mod function, and if we have different operations like insert, display, and search. While inserting, we have using linear probing when we face a collision. So whenever collision happens, by using linear probing, it gets assigned to the next node. If next node is empty, then it is assigned to that node. But if next node is full, then it is again assigned to the next node.
Yes. And what about the other assignments?
So linked list is remaining, and all other done like stack, queue are done.
Explain that. What you are doing that?
Stack, queue. In queue, I have implemented queue using array. I have considered array of 5 elements where I have considered front is equal to -1 and rear is equal to -1. And then I have created 2 functions if queue is empty and queue is full. While in queue function, if queue is full, it gives a message that the queue is full. But if the queue is empty, we will consider the rear end is equal to 0 and front end is equal to 0, because it was at the beginning it was the -1, so that's why because array starts with 0, we will consider both at 0 and 0.
26. What about you? Roll number 26.
Yes, sir. First and second complete.
Explain it.
Sir, which one?
Second.
Sir. I have used the linked list, and in that insert at beginning, insert at end, search the element. I have used these functions.
Okay. Roll number 24 is present. Shruti. Who is this? Roll number. You are there, and why you are not replying for me? Roll number 24. Srushti. Srushti, you are there in the mic issue. Then what should I write? Should I write pending against your name? Roll number 24. If you have mic issue, then I cannot do anything because it's an exam. Okay. So you will be kept pending for the next session. Roll number 24. Is that clear? Okay. Go ahead. Roll number next. Who is this? 26. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Explain insertion. Insertion. Only insertion. How can we insert?
Yes, sir. In insertion at beginning, I will allocate a memory for a new node, then store a data. Then I will change the next to the point, and I will change the head to recent now created a new node.
Okay. So from which end you are doing insertion and deletion as far as queue is concerned?
Yes, sir. And can you repeat?
In case of simple linked list, from where you can insert the element? Which end?
At the front end.
What about the doubly linked list?
From both the end.
Okay. 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 What about the write-up status? Both of you.
Sir, I will start today.
Yes, sir. Start.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, completed.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I have a doubt. We have to write only the answers of that questions and upload
Yes,
with the
yes.
program and output.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Next, roll number 28 and 29.
Yes, sir.
28, 29. 28.
Yes, sir.
I think there is a problem of mic. 28.
Yes, sir.
What about the assignment status?
Sir, first is half done, and second and 3 are complete.
Explain third.
In third assignment, I have taken one function of precedence in which we will check the precedence of the plus and minus operator, and which has lower precedence, and multiplication and division operators. And I have created one function that is infix to postfix, in which we will scan the expression from left to right, and the precedence of the operator is greater than the in the stack, we will push it, and if the greater and or equal, then we will pop, and if the closing and opening braces are coming, then we will push it in the stack, and we will repeat the steps and print the output.
ठीक है. What is your number?
28.
Okay. 29. 29. 28. 29 is there. Okay. Roll number 10 is there. Roll number 10, unmute yourself. Roll number 10. Roll number 10 is there in the list. Bhushan. Why? Bhushan. Okay, so then your status is pending. Is that? I'm writing pending status. In next turn on Wednesday, you will give your role. Okay? Is that clear, Bhushan? Just say something in not. Okay, okay. We'll continue. Roll number 29. Roll number 29 is there. Roll number 29. Roll number 30. If you're not there, then you will be absent today. So roll number 31. Ranjit. Roll
Yes,
number
sir.
31. Okay. What about the status of assignments?
Yes, sir. First, second, and third completed, and also stack with array and queue. Array and linked list is completed.
Roll number 32. 32. Roll number 32. Mugdha.
Yes, sir.
What is the status of assignments?
Sir, all 3 are done. Coding part.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead for third assignment. Yes, explain.
Yes, sir. First, to calculate the precedence, I have defined in precedence function, where this function is returning the precedent of a particular character. Then, to convert string infix to postfix, I've defined this infix to postfix function, where the string is taken as an input, and then it is iterated from left to right. And then if we come across any character, then I've performed this function, push function. Then if it is right parenthesis, then it is sorry. If it is left parenthesis, then we will return the top and then pop the entire stack. And if it is left parenthesis, we will push it. Else, accordingly, these conditions are checked. And then at the end, I've in the main function, I've just taken this hardcore part, and in this way, I've converted infix to postfix.
Run it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so take the samples so that we can visualize it.
Yes, sir. So what samples?
Just any string. String is already there in your. Okay. So show the output what it indicates.
Sir, here you have to enter the string. Like if we do a plus b, then it was giving ab plus, like that.
Okay. Run it. It is giving yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what about the assignment write-ups? Started or finished?
Just started.
Okay. Roll number, who is next? Roll number?
Sir, can I share the screen?
Yes. You continue with the assignments.
Yes, sir.
Current assignment. Mugdha. 32. Share
Yes,
your
sir.
screen.
Sir,
Sorry,
I'm
31.
31, she is 32.
Okay, 31. Share your screen. Ranjit, okay. Which assignment you are explaining? 2. Okay, explain.
Sir, second assignment is linked list operation. I have performed insert at end operation, display element and display linked list, search element, delete number, delete element at particular location, and inserting element at particular location, inserting element at head, and find the length of the linked list, and also the reverse the linked list operations.
Explain any one in detail.
Sir, which one? Search operation?
Any of your own choice.
Okay, sir.
Where you can give 100%.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will explain search operation. Sir, in that we will take key from user, and then you will take some temp function. You will use node temp, which will point to the head, and we will check while it reaches to the null, that is its end of the linked list. If we found that data of temp is equal to key, then we will say that we found the key, and we will return the 1. And if even traversing up to the end, we will not find the key, we will return that key not found, and we will return 0.
Okay, run this code. Yes, it is giving result.
Yes, sir. Just wait.
Yes.
I will insert few elements, and I will show you the search operation.
Yes. Go ahead.
This is the linked list, and I will search for 8. I will insert 3, and key to find, I will insert 8. It will show key found. If I insert 10, then it will show key not found because it is not there in the list.
Okay. Next, 33 and 34.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what about your assignment status? 33?
Sir, code completed.
34? Roll number 34. Nipun Kulkarni. You are there.
Yes, sir. All code completed assignments are going on, and I had also shared screen last time. and explain already goals to you.
No, this is the examination, and once again you have to give the.
Yeah. Okay.
If you're not ready, still you have to share your screen.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is the part of examination. So share your screen and explain the first assignment. Nipun.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, coming.
So this is for stack, and
I am asking assignment number 1.
I had a name according to assignment. So will you please which one?
Employee ID.
Employee ID. First one.
Employee ID.
I think you have created the employee database. In that, you have maintained some record of the data, the employees. Thing is not.
I have some of the on my REPL and some on my that's VS Code. Let me search it.
Till that, other share your screen.
Okay, sir.
You stop sharing.
Okay,
Take a minute, and meanwhile. Varad.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute.
Yes. Yes, Varad. Explain. It is visible.
Which one, sir?
All 3 are there. First, go for first assignment. I want to check what you had done. Okay. Explain in detail, please.
Sir, I have created database of employee ID. I have created array of 10. I use hash function here. Sir, we can add employee. We can display and search. Sir, in first, if we have to add set data, we have एक minute, sir. Sir, here I have taken a counter. Here I have taken a name of employee, and here I have taken employee ID, and I have passed the employee name and ID to hash function. In hash function, I have calculated the hash value by modulo 10, and I have checked that the array is array value is 0 or not. If array value is 0, then the position सर जेव्हा array value 0 म्हणजे जी जागा रिकामी आहे तेव्हा हे arrayच्या पोझिशनला ही व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे एम्प्लॉयची आयडी आणि नाव सेव्ह होऊन जाईल.
ठीक आहे.
आणि डिस्प्ले साठी 10 पर्यंत लूप लावलेला आहे आणि इथे डिस्प्ले होते सरळ. आणि सर्च साठी सर इथं की घेतली म्हणजे आयडी घेतली आणि आयडीची हॅश व्हॅल्यू फाइंड केली आणि ह्या हॅश व्हॅल्यूवरची नेम आणि आयडी प्रिंट केलेली. आणि जर का आयडी नसेल तर नो रेकॉर्ड फाउंड.
रन करा. Take a sample data and run it.
Okay, sir. Like this, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. Yes, 34.
I'm still searching it, sir.
Okay, so will you explain what are the conditions of in-queue and dequeue in single linked list?
In-queue and EQN?
Yes,
queue,
what are
okay.
In-queue?
Yes, okay. Yes, 1 minute. So you have to keep NQ, then you have to enter from the front end, and if you have to DQ, then DQ at the it is last in last out principle in queue. And the front, if you enter something, means if you want to uh, in queue something in your queue, then you uh, then it is entered at the rear end of the queue, and the point DQ, the pointer is of the front point, and if you want to DQ, the front pointer ultimately jumps to the back one, and the first which is present at the node present at the first end is ultimately removed.
Okay, what about the assignment number 1? You are not recalling anything from assignment number 1?
Actually, I hadn't remember. I hadn't remember by which name I had saved it, so I'm not finding it. I found my stack, my queue assignment, hash table assignment.
Go for it, search it, and then you have to upload also, right? Okay.
Yes, I will upload it. I will find it as soon as possible.
Next students, we'll wait for 1 minute. I will first of all take attendance. 35, 36, 37, 38. Roll number 38 is there. Roll number 38. Not there. Okay. Just a minute. I will take attendance. Just a minute. Roll number 38 is not there. I have to mark him absent. Okay, who is next? 38, 40. 40 is not there. Forty, 41, 42 is also not there. 41, 42 is not there. 42. Who is next? 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48 is not there. 48. Then 50, 51, 52, 52 is also not there. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 63, 7, 8, 90, 69. 69 is not there. And 72? 72 is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in next remaining students will give your oral in next slot. Okay. On Wednesday we have one slot of practical. Okay. We'll explain the assignment, and then meanwhile we can take some review of the assignments, right? As a part of midterm DSA submission, right? So till today up to roll number 34 we have completed. 35 onwards you will face oral in next incoming practical slot on Wednesday. Okay, is that clear? And those who have not given the oral today, roll number 10, roll number 9, roll number 12, then 13, 14, then roll number 16, then roll number 25, 24, 29, 30, all have to give oral next time. Okay. Is that clear? Now we'll stop. You will continue with your assignments. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. The remaining students will give oral on Wednesday. Okay. Those who complete can leave the session.